Hi everyone, it's me, Van. Sorry I've been MIA for so long, and also sorry I wasn't able to record a talk through video for you guys. I tried to, but the house got suddenly noisy and well, the sound was too low as well. I think I need to get like a microphone or something. But anyway, today's look is a kind of Baddie on a budget kind of look, a night out look. So I wanted it to be pretty glam and intense, so you see me starting with a black base, and that is a Maybelline Color Tattoo. I've had it forever, so I just placed that on my eyes and I went in with a nice transition brownish orangey shade in my crease, and then I went in with this really dark brown eyeshadow. It looks almost black, but I just applied that in my crease to really like intensify the look. And now I'm spraying my brush and I'm going in with this really copper orange, kind of burnt orange shade, and this looks super good, like so nice over the black base. It looks kind of different when it doesn't have a black base, but the base just makes it more kind of intense and a little darker, so I really like how that looks. And wetting the brush just turned the shade into like a liquid eyeshadow or something. It was so nice. And I'm just adding a really intense black wing, like a super big wing. And then I'm just going in with some false eyelashes, and I'm doing the other eye, and I'm coming right back to you. And now time for the face. I'm using my WetnWild Photo Focus foundation. That's what I was seeing in these clips. I was like, I love this foundation so much. It looks a little scary at first because it's super orange. The shade is so orange for me, but I feel like throughout the day and when I'm finished with all my steps, it looks like perfect, and the finish is like super flawless and it lasts so long. But I noticed with this foundation, I feel like it oxidizes like oppositely. It like gets lighter throughout the day, which I don't have a problem with at all. And now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution foundation stick and I'm using these to contour. So I'm just blending out my contour with this. I've been loving these lately to contour. And now I'm taking my Age Rewind concealer. This is something new for my YouTube. I've been using this for a while now and I really love it. I just apply a lot. This is me also trying to combat the orangeness of this foundation. And now I'm like, what is that red thing on my chest? But I think I was scratching my chest too hard. And now I'm pouring out so much powder and I'm like, oh no, wait, that's way too much powder. I had powder everywhere. So I'm using my super huge sponge. People have been asking me about this. The sponge is from Sonia Kashuk and I bought it at Target. It gets so big when you wet it and it makes your makeup go on like 2 times, like 5 times as fast. So I'm just blending out under my eyes, and sorry I can't help the crazy eyes, the looks. I need to stretch the skin under my eyes because I have so many lines and my eyes are just different and I have to do these crazy faces. And just thumbs up if you like those faces or if you do those as well. And I just apply a lot of powder because I'm also trying to combat the orangeness of this foundation. So I just sweep everything away, and now I go and I contour my nose, and I use a sleek powder for this. It's a dark from their dark kit. I've had this powder forever, and I just blend it out with that fluffy brush. And I'm going in with some really nice blush from e.l.f. I bought this recently and I really like it so far. And then I took my Fenty Beauty Matchstix in Rum, and I just apply this on like the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, on my tear ducts of my eyes, and the bridge of my nose. This just creates a really nice base for a highlight. And then I went in with this highlighter that I have in my Tarte Painter's Box palette. I use this for my eyeshadow as well. And now I'm using this NYX Cosmetics highlighter palette, and I'm using these 3 shades to highlight. And now I'm going in with even more highlighter because, I mean, you can never have enough highlighter, and this is like a very intense look. So, yep, can't have too much highlighter. Now I'm just repeating these steps on my lower lash line of the same shade. And I'm going in with my Makeup Sheila Big Shot Mascara. And that looks really good. Feeling myself. And I just wanted really nude lips, so I just lined my lips with a brown lip liner. This is from Ellie Girl, I think. I love their lip liners, and this lipstick is from Makeup Revolution, and it's like a newfound love. Like, I love this nude look. I absolutely love it. So I'm just checking myself, make sure my hair looks good, everything's copacetic. And yep, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that bell button to get notifications when I upload, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.